Hi guys, in this video I'll be repairing a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now when you're doing this, the most important thing is to decide, does the one you're trying to repair have 4 segments like this one or 3 segments like this one? Now, normally when one has 4, all it means is the device has a microphone as well. In this video I'm going to be repairing one with 3, but the principle is pretty much the same. When you open up the wire that you're trying to repair, you'll end up with a white, a red and a ground. Sometimes you might have 2 grounds. If you have 2 grounds, it might be easier just to twist them together. So when doing this, it's important not to mix up our left and our right. I'll be using one of these for this repair, but you can use just a cut off piece. Stick the solder the wires together and then bit heat shrink or tape or whatever you have. When using one of these, it's important to remember to put this on the cable when you start, because I have made the mistake before. I've got to the end and have forgot about it, and it's very annoying. On this one, this is your left and this is your right, but if you're not sure, you can check with a voltmeter just for continuity, just to make sure that the pins you think they are correct. And I like to start with the bottom, which is the ground, just because the other ones can be in your way if you don't. Unfortunately my camera stopped there as I was doing the left one, but I mean it's pretty self-explanatory. These can be a little fiddly, these connectors, but they're nice when they're done. And for these, you just screw this back on. I feel those connectors give a nice clean finish. You hardly know any would have been there. That's it guys, it's fairly straightforward. Thanks for watching.